Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Cecilia, a lash tech and a makeup artist. Today I want to do something fun with the eyeshadow. I want to add a red color and red lips. I'm going to be using this concealer by Juvia's Place in shade 18. I'm going to add some of that on my eyelid. I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyeshadow, and we're gonna be using the Pizza Palette by Glamlite, the extra cheese. Next, I'm gonna move on to the hot sauce. The shade Pepperoni. And I'm gonna go back to the fluffy brush that I was using before for my transition color. And what I'm gonna do is blend it. And we're just gonna go around the crease. And I wanna go back to the extra cheese. Add more of that yellow on my brow bone. I'm gonna do a cut crease. So I'm just gonna apply some of it. And I'm gonna look up so I can create that line on my eyelid. Actually, the blinds in front of me that are making those stripes look crazy on my face. So, yeah. I'm gonna go over my cut crease and I'm gonna use the pineapple shade. My hot sauce, and I'm gonna add that on the side of my eye, on my crease. So I want to be real careful. I do want to add more intensity on top of that yellow crease. I know that you would have been like, why didn't you do that before? Why didn't you add more? Well, it's better to do less first. You can always go back and add more color to the eye. I got these lashes by Covert Beauty. When you get a pair of lashes, you know that every pair of lashes has either a number or it has a name on it. But in this case, they told me a little bit about their brand, and what makes them unique is their story. I love the packaging because it's a book. I mean, who does this, right? Like, this is the inside. It says, never judge a book by its cover, which that's their brand name. And the name of these lashes is called Chapter 1. I love the idea that they came up with. They also sent me a mirror, which is so amazing because you know what this reminds me of? Like back in the days when you used to have the flip phones, you'd be like, girl, bye. Girl, bye. I can take this everywhere I go if I want to put it in my purse. So let's go right in and try them out and see how they feel. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna measure them first before I apply them because obviously my eye is small. So I'm gonna trim them and I will be applying them. Usually when you wear lashes and you have the feeling that it starts to poke on the sides of your lashes. So the tip I would give you is to cut the ends of the lashes and to make sure that nothing's popping out, nothing comes out. I love them. They look so pretty and natural. Oh yes, Covert Beauty, I see you. The story behind this is that it was inspired by a female veteran who dealt with sexual trauma in the military. It takes a lot for someone to go out there and share the story because we all have been through hardships in our lives, and just knowing that, you know, you have the courage and you're brave enough to go out there and tell it, that's just greater than anything else. Each pair has a story, a name for it. This is a great cause, mainly to empower people. You guys can go ahead and check out their website. So thank you, Covert Beauties, for sending me these lashes. I'm excited. So now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the rest of my face. Moisturize my face with Youth to the People. It smells like kale. and all these other greens. If we sleep on one side, our face gets puffy on one side. So what I do is I use this to kind of give a massage.
Now I'm applying the Juvia's Place foundation in shade Giza. I hope I'm saying it right.
A little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna use Illuminating Veil. I'm gonna use a wet sponge from Juno Co.
What makes this sponge so different from all the beauty blenders is that this is a microfiber makeup sponge and it creates a flawless finish using less foundation.
I'm gonna use my concealer. Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette. I'm gonna be adding a blue color on underneath the lash line using Magic Palette by Juvia's Place, the blue shade. Might look a little crazy, but don't worry about it. You can always go back to your brush. I'm gonna use liquid eyeliner in the inner corner of my eye so it can look like it's connecting to the lash line.
I'm applying the Urban Decay 24/7 waterline eyeliner. This is optional, but I love to use this eyeliner because it stays on all day. It doesn't make my eyes burn, and it doesn't get runny, or it doesn't leave you those patches underneath your lash line. So I highly recommend this.
The next step is the NYX Pro Contour Palette. I'm gonna bake my face with the banana powder, which is the lighter shade, and then I'm gonna move on to the darker shade to sculpt the face. I'm gonna go back to my Juvia's Place palette, and I wanna try the Koji, is that what it's called? This as blush. I'm gonna put a little bit because it's so pigmented, so I'm just gonna do this. Ooh, that was a lot. Champagne Pop highlighter by Becca Cosmetics. Well, the last step of the application is the lips. It's a matte lipstick called Ruby. It's a red, beautiful red. The lighting is not the greatest right now because of my phone. Obviously, I'm not able to film on my actual camera. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will be posting more videos soon. And thank you so much, guys, for being patient with me. It's been crazy lately because I've been working, I've been lashing. If you happen to live in the area, the LA area or Orange County, just hit your girl up, you know, she got you, she can do your lashes. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.